Is it possible to get paid to listen to your favorite music? Exposed. $7.1 billion music industry loophole. Pockets me $50 every time I stream a song. Yup, I'm getting paid to vibe to my favorite music. No experience needed minus 100% new method, instant payments. $241,401.22 has been generated with SpotiCash in the past 6 months. 98% of beta testers mad money in the first day. 100% never seen before method. Instant payments directly to your PayPal account. Get paid every day to listen to your favorite artist. No experience needed whatsoever. Get SpotiCash at a one-time price. Just pay $19 once instead of $297 a month. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. I get paid $50. Crazy, I know. But that's what I've been doing for the past 18 months. Every day, I turn on SpotiCash, stream my favorite artist, and get payments like this. These payments quickly add up to a nice payday. The best part is, I don't have to create anything. Yup, I don't have to create any kind of music. After all, I'm not an artist. I'm just an ordinary person who likes to make some extra cash. And SpotiCash does exactly that. You don't need to create a website, create a video, create music, do any kind of marketing. You don't even need to sell anything. You're 3 clicks away from joining hundreds of profitable members. Step 1. Create your account. Simply click on any of the buttons on this page and get instant access to SpotiCash. Step 2. Pick your favorite artist. Select from thousands of artists and vibe to the music. Step 3. Get paid. That's it, get paid for every song you stream. The more music I stream, the more money I make. There is no limit to how much I can earn with SpotiCash. I can make as much or as little as I want. Whenever I feel I'm short on cash, I simply turn on SpotiCash and relax to my favorite artist. And money start to roll in. Here's the issue though. Most of methods you see online is useless. I'm almost certain that you tried countless methods before. Stuff like dropshipping, solo ads, SEO, Facebook. Does any of that ring a bell? Let me ask you something. How did it work for you? I bet it didn't work at all. Look, I'm not picking on you. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Here is the best part. You don't have to do anything special. You don't have to be an artist. Heck, you don't even have to actively listen. You just pop the music in the background. And you're in business. Exciting, huh? Here is where it gets better. Because there are millions of songs you can stream. Also dozens of new songs are released every hour. There is no shortage of opportunities to get paid. It will be decades before you run out of music to stream. There is no way this gets saturated. 12 reasons to get SpotiCash right now. Get paid an average of $50 for streaming songs. The price increases every 5 minutes. Doors will be closed soon so we can focus at helping our members. No limits on how many songs you can stream. No more waiting, get paid instantly. 100% safe and legal. Only takes a few minutes per day. Works anywhere with any internet connection. Finally break out of the rat race and start profiting. 96% success rate with our 309 beta testers. No upfront fees required whatsoever. 30-day money-back guarantee. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.